Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you change your display name on Roblox. So guys, it's very easy. At first, just go to your Roblox app. Now click the bottom last three dot icon. Now just scroll a bit and here you can see settings. Click on it. Now click the first option here in the top, account info. Now in the account info, here you can see display name. Click in the right side of the display name. Now you can change your display name here. You also should know that your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. After giving your name, just click on save. And by that, you can just change your display name on Roblox. So guys, that's how you can change Roblox display name. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.